This is going to be one of the most important videos you've ever seen as a beginner filmmaker, or even if you are a professional. Revisiting some of these basics can really be very helpful. Now, as a way of getting started, watch this scenario. Have you gotten it? Now, if you haven't gotten it, here is a big deal. The story is being told in your head. The producer or the person making this video is not cooking every single step of the action for you, but he allows room for you, the viewer, to be able to piece together or fill in the gaps of the story. For example, in this scenario, if I show you this person who is supposed to walk all the way to pick up this particular object, it can be really very boring. Alternatively, this is the way you can go about it. Now, let me just visually show you the two examples. Now, this is example A of the same action. Do you kind of get the point? These two scenarios all both accentuate or still give us the same kind of results. We didn't really have to show this person walking all the way from point A to point B to get the object. But even though in the next scenario, I just showed him starting to move and I showed the next point, the person picking up the object, your brain still managed to piece together that he came and he picked the object. And so this is a very important rule when you're writing your very first film, or even if you're a professional. These are some of the basics you always still have to keep in mind. You don't have to cook everything for your audience. This is just an oversimplification of this particular technique. You can apply it to whatever form of video or whatever form of action or whatever kind of content that you are creating. So far as it's video driven or it's a visual driven art form, you can always use this particular technique to work your way around things. This is a short one, but I really do hope you got a ton of information out of this video. If this is your first time here, we talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. If this sounds interesting, then I'll do much appreciate it if you do click on the like button, because it goes a long way in helping other people discover this channel on YouTube. And please make sure to click on the subscribe button and make sure to turn on notification so that you get notified anytime I drop awesome content like this right here on the Africa Amaze channel. Alternatively, if you also have any further questions, DM me on Instagram at OBL_Junior, or you can leave them in the comment section below and I will gladly respond to every single one of your messages. Until next time, as always, guys, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.